Check his leg. Check his leg. Get up with it, buddy. Way up. Come on now. Double under, double under. 1 minute 50, go. Good. There we go, over on the pass, that's your stuff. Stay over. Drive the shoulder, buddy. Drive the shoulder. There you go, buddy. Yeah. Hold it. Back. Inside hook. There we go, buddy. Go to the other side. There you go, pal. Hold him down. Block the hip. Nice. Peel. There you go. Peel it. Peel the leg. All right, jump to the other side. Attaboy. Now peel really hard to your right. Nice, turning. Nice and easy. Get down the hook, Bubba. Get the neck. Very good, Nick. Nice and relaxed, buddy.
3 minutes left.
Careful. Don't get too high, Bob. Don't get too high. Play on his hip. Try to get your right grip. Get your right arm in front of his face. There you go. Good. Play on his hips. Breathe and relax, buddy. Nice. Breathe and relax, buddy. Right hand grip, Bubba. Get your left foot back in the peel position, Bubba. Nice. Now pass right there. Shoulder pressure. Stay low, Nick. Stay low. Left shoulder in the face, pal. Get your head in the middle. Get your head in his face, bub. Get your head under his chin. Head under his chin. Keep your head under his face, bud. Minute 50. Good. Get ready to sprawl out. That a boy. Come on, there you go, Mal. Come back over. Hey, stop. Hey. Hold it. Step boy. Step off to the backside. There you go. Hold it. Take the back. You didn't get no points for that. You didn't get no points. All just advantages. There's a take. Good. Let's get a takedown. Let's go. Get him. say time. Let's get a nice takedown. You're only up 3 advantages. We're up 3 advantages. No points, Bubba. Ah, hit it. Short time, 1 minute. You can't give up the points. There you go, pick it up. Careful, careful, careful. Drive it. Hey, stop! You got the 2. Close your left knee in, buddy. Over top of his leg. Close your left knee in. Push it down, left hand. Head position. Get your head back into position. Take your high step off. Good. Get your head back in his chest, pal.
Bubble up, bubble up.
High step, high step. He's trying to turn you. Good. There you go. Kick your leg up and out now. Attaboy again. There you go. Hold it. Get your head in his belly, Q. Good.
Short, short.
Hey, stop! Hey!
That's
Way to stay aggressive, pal. Perfect.
Great job, Chewy. Yeah.
Hey!
Chewy.
Attaboy, Chew.
This is Jordan's next match. Dynamite.
Chew's next match is now.
No, Jordan. That's who Jordan has next. Because Jordan has to buy.
He has to win, right?
Yeah.